vegetable stand. Why don't we just stop and get those ingredients for your famous black bean soup, huh?
Well, it's like I said, it's only the ingredients. Let's do it.
Merry Christmas. You guys mind doing us a favor and hold on to these fair creatures? All I want is black bean soup. You to make it with me. Hold on to that. Be my love, my love will stay. And wear your ribbons for me. Boil those black beans, honey.
Mash 'em up real well.
One big soft tomato, just a handful of sorrel. Cut up your chili pepper.
Squeeze that garlic smell.
One mouthful of dripping, and a granddaddy onion, and well, all I want is soup, bean soup, and you to make it with me. Be my love will stay, and wear your ribbons for me. You know, I've been kicked in the head a few times, but that just made me high. I believe in the good things now, you know, black bean soup don't lie. Lie, lie.
What?
We forgot to drip it.
Oh.
Honey, right there. Get those. Let me take these from you. We better pay the man, too, huh? There's money in my back pocket. Take the money out of the back pocket there. Hurry up with them drippings. We got everything? And you make it with me. Merry Christmas. My love will stay and wear your ribbons for me. All I want is black bean soup and you to sing it with me. Baby, my love will stay and wear your ribbons for me. Merry Christmas! All I want is black bean soup.
Hello.
We made it.
Oh, hi.
Let's just say hello to Tim.
Certainly. Hi,
My
Minnie.
son Jan, right down there.
Hello, y'all. Ah, so glad to see you, Lynn.
What a terrific place.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, where's the kitchen? I brought the ingredients for my famous black bean soup.
Oh, David, I hate to tell you this, but after you got all this trouble and everything, it's real nice of you, but I really don't think we're going to have room for this bean soup with all the
Minnie,
other
don't
stuff that
say
we've got
You
for
know
the
what
Christmas
they say.
dinner.
Don't say that. You know what they say. They say one taste of this soup makes a man feel all warm and sexy inside and totally uncontrollable.
Excuse me, Lynn, the kitchen's right in there, and get on with the soup. Just go ahead.
Come on, gang. Grab that other... come on, let's go.